Well, I just came by to see how are you, and just brought some goodies for you to enjoy in this Christmas. I hope you will enjoy. It's not much, as I have to share with not only you, your fellow members, fellow group sisters and family that are in Suva and in Bonolevu, and I've been to Mba, so I'm here just to share something, because in Christmas it's all about sharing. With whatever you have, you share it with that spirit, and it goes a long way. So today I'll take this time to the staff. I'd like to, from the bottom of my heart and from the First Lady and the Official Secretary, the aide-de-camp, and all the team that is coming today. How can we appreciate the effort that you have done? We cannot repay you in monetary terms, but of all the things that you are doing to the members of the home. I know it takes sacrifice, takes patience, and I know that you all go through the hardship, understanding the lifestyles and the situation the members of the age group are. It's challenging at times, but then again, with the patience that you have, the humility that you are blessed with, this is the outcome that I see today. I can see that they are all looking well, they look healthy, and they're looking good, especially Johnny and Chanseni, and I see Sevoloni is there. And Krishna, how are you, Krishna? Krishna is looking at me. She's looking well. And Pushpa, I hope you all are enjoying the staying here. But most importantly, nanamundo bingarabi, nakawala na bingarabi wanayalo binaka. Sinito bikima mindonaka bikima namdolea. Sa kailangan na kuha nga na kalungan to bibarotek, na ngay sumikim nga, na kinisaw nga na ngay sumikim na bikim do. Na huli binakar nung ni kawar na, hindi na kunik kalungat na bingo na bingo. Patulak zuru manandendre, ngonong bolong-bole, wira na may bingarabi bango, na kinisaw sa bulito. Kito na kao to na bikim ni kuha, kaya nga bikim ni na busota, kaya nga bikim ni na yalo binaka, ni marutachi ko na nung nitana. All I ask is that you have that humility and the goodwill and the urge to continue to serve and to look after the members of your community here today. We really do have a very tight schedule. I have to try to meet everyone on my trip to the West, but I'm thankful that I'm here. I meet one of my old friends who's looking after the place. I feel like I'm at home. So again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I wish your families the best of all, the best of the Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And I know that with whatever we have brought, we'll bring the goodness that you will share in the spirit of Christmas. Again, with those few words from us all here, thank you for accepting us, and we pray that we will continue to welcome 2024 with good, what should I say, good wishes and good health, Pinakabakalewa.